Hey naughty kiddos, have you been on the bad list too many years in a row? I know I have. You know how usually you bake cookies for Santa? Well, those are boring, overdone, boring. And we're not doing that this year. This year we're gonna do something new. Gingerbread. Time to suit up.
Just slap it. Keep slapping it.
Let's get in it. Step one to get this show on the road. Unwrap gingerbread. Wow, that's cool. Set up those pieces. If you don't want to be Santa's favorite little boy, then you can use a easy tray to put your pieces together in it. But me, I'm doing it hardcore. The most important part to holding a gingerbread house together is the glue. Build the foundation. Now that the foundation's done, you gotta smack that roof on top.
Smack it.
Now that's a job well done.
You pick them off, piece by piece, and you have to redo it.
No, get the shot!
Bro, move your hand!
Now that the house is together, let's add some decor. Now that's one nice gingerbread house. Time to leave this out for Father Christmas.